Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discussing about a few more important problems related to averages. Let's say the first question in this session. See here. Here the first question is nine persons went to hotel for taking their breakfast. Nine persons went to hotel for taking their breakfast. Eight of them spent 12 rupees. Eight of them spent 12 rupees on the breakfast and the ninth one spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure of all the 9. This sentence is very important. If you understand this sentence, then only it is possible to get the answer. And the last, finally, the question is what is the total money spent by them? What is the total money spent by them? Here, total, according to the question, 9 persons went to hotel for taking their breakfast, and out of those 9 members, 8 of them spent 12 rupees on the breakfast. Directly that particular value is given. 8 of them spent 12 rupees on their breakfast. Whereas coming to the ninth person, this ninth person spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure of all the 9. Here, this sentence is very important. Ninth person spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure of all the 9. Here, we don't know the value of average expenditure of all the 9 members, right? So, I will take average is equal to x rupees. Average of all 9 members is x rupees. So, obviously, the ninth person spent how much amount according to the sentence? Ninth person spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure of all the 9. Here the average expenditure of all the 9 is x. Therefore, ninth person spent x plus 8 rupees. That is the amount spent by ninth person. Now, as we know that average is equal to sum of observations by sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Now, average we consider it as x. Average of all 9 members is equal to x. That is equal to sum of all 9 members. Here, we know that 8 of them spent 12 rupees on their breakfast. Here, 8 of them spent 12 rupees on the breakfast each. Here, each person spent 12 rupees on the breakfast. So, the total amount spent by all 8 members, which is nothing but 8 into 12, which is nothing but how much? 8 into 12 plus ninth person spent x plus 8 rupees. Ninth person spent how much? X plus 8 rupees divided by, this is the total sum of all 9 members. This is the sum of 8 members and this is the amount spent by ninth person. Total sum of 9 members is 8 into 12 plus x plus 8 divided by number of persons, which is nothing but 9. Now you can do the cross multiplication. You will get the value of x. Here if you do the cross multiplication, 9x is equal to 8 into 12, which is equal to 96 plus x plus 8. Now from this x goes to left side. 9x minus x, 8x. 8x is equal to 96 plus 8, which is equal to 104. Now you can cancel with 8 table. 8 ones are and 8 threes are. Therefore, we got the value of x, which is equal to 13. The value of x is 13. X is nothing but average expenditure of all the 9 members. X is nothing but what? Average expenditure of all the 9 members. Now the question what he is asking, what is the total money spent by them? Total money. total money spent by them, which is nothing but here first 8 members spend 8 into 12. Each person spent 12 rupees on their breakfast. Whereas the ninth person spent x plus 8. Here the value of x we got it as 13. 13 plus 8, which is equal to 96 plus 13 plus 8. That value is here 96 plus 8, 104. 104 plus 13, 117. 117 rupees, that is the total money spent by all 9 members. Total money spent by all 9 members is 117. That is the required answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. See here, very important problem. Listen carefully. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th innings. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th innings and thus increases his average by 3. As he is scoring 87 runs in the 17th innings, because of that reason, his average is increased by 3. Now the question is, find the average after 17th innings. Find the average after 17th innings. That is the question he is asking. Here, let us consider initially average before 17th innings. Before 17th innings, which is equal to x. If it is x before 17th innings, then what is the average after 17th inning? After 17th inning, the average becomes x plus 3, because the reason is here after scoring 87 runs in 17th innings, his average is increased by 3. That is the reason after 17th innings, the average is x plus 3. Before 17th inning, before 17th inning in the sense up to 16 innings, up to 16 innings, average is equal to x. Then sum of 16 innings, sum of 16 innings is equal to average into number of innings, that is equal to 16x. 16x is the sum of 16 innings, that is this one. Average before 17th inning is same as average up to 16 innings. Both are same. Now, the second sentence, average after 17th innings is x plus 3. Therefore, average is equal to average after 17th inning. Average after 17th inning is equal to, what is meant by average? Sum of 17 innings. We know that sum of 16 innings, 16x, plus in the 17th inning he scored 87 runs. In the 17th inning he scored 87 runs. This is the total sum of 17 innings divided by number of innings, 17. And this value is given as average after 17th inning, we got it as x plus 3. Take it as x plus 3. Now you can do the cross multiplication, you will get the value of x. Here it is 16x plus 87 is equal to 17x plus 51. Now from this 16x comes to right side, 51 goes to left side. That implies 17x minus 16x, which is equal to x. 87 minus 51. That value is 36. 87 minus 51, which is equal to 36. Here we got x is equal to 36. Here in this kind of problems, each and everyone must be careful about what is the question exactly he is asking. What is the average before 17th inning and after 17th inning? Here x represents the average before 17th inning, whereas x plus 3 represents the average after 17th inning. Here the question is asking about average after 17th inning, which is nothing but x plus 3. We got x is equal to 36. Therefore, the required answer is 36 plus 3, which is equal to 39. 39 is the average after 17th inning. 17th inning. After 17th inning, average is 39. That is the required answer for this question. Guys, I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.